Hello. Last year I took a photograph of Saturn using this, my Celestron Omni XLT 102. It's a 4-inch simple refractor with a 1,000mm focal length. It came out okay. Here's what it looked like. I got to thinking, everybody's talking about taking pictures of Saturn once again. It's not real far away right now. I normally take photos of deep space objects, but having taken a picture of Saturn once, why not? I'll try it again. I'm going to try it on this little tiny telescope. It's about the size of a flashlight. It weighs about 3 pounds. You can actually fit it in a shoebox. And I'm curious as to whether or not my Celestron C90 can actually get a picture of Saturn. Now it's 90mm, but a fair portion of that's taken up by the return mirror, so it's really closer to 3 inch instead of a 3.5 inch. I'll take it out tonight and we'll see. Hello. Tonight I'm going to be trying to take a photograph of Saturn with my Celestron C90 masktop cast frame. I know it's only a 3.5 inch scope, but I'm hoping for the best. I'll be using my CG4 mount with my Astro Gadget go-to conversion kit. I'm not going to be using a filter, and kind of hoping for the best. I've already got the mount leveled. I've got the scope. Got it balanced on both axes, and I'm about to do a 1-star alignment and focus it. I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. Here's the live stack of Saturn. When I choose an area of interest, say 1920 by 1080, this becomes the live view, and this right here is the final view, which I'll add at the end of the video. Hello. I went out last night and took a photograph of Saturn using this, a little flashlight-sized telescope. For camera, I use the SV Moni 705C. Planetary camera, however, it has a larger than normal field of view. So to make things fair, I used a reduction to 1920 by 1080, which would give it about the same field of view as the ZWO-224, an average size for a planetary camera. I also use this, my ZWO ×2 Barlow lens. So puff it up. I think it came out okay. Here it is. Please tell me in the comment section as to whether or not it came out all right. I mean, for such a little tiny telescope. If I get a good response from it. Last year I also took a picture with that big telescope of Mars. And if y'all want, tell me in the comments if you do, I could try this little tiny thing on Mars and Jupiter. Yeah. In any event, let me give you a full screen version of it here when I'm done. I think it's okay. But like I say, I don't do a lot of planetary photography. So that's all I got for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thanks a lot. And until I see you again, happy trails.